In the last few years, there has been a tremendous growth in information technology and associated industry. Especially with globalization phenomenon, the IT market boom was quite evident in India. A research forecast India as the undisputed leader in the outsourcing space in the 2008. And in particular, Andhra Pradesh experienced considerable growth. The requirement of IT market are fast changing, and the regular academic calendar could not accommodate the rapid changes in the technology. Lakhs of students bid farewell to their academic institutions and step out every year with a ray of hope of getting a good job. But today, just stepping out with a qualification from a college is not sufficient. What if a large number of students passing out do not get jobs because of poor communication and human resource skills? The state of Andhra Pradesh faced this perplexing problem. With a vision to bridge the gap between industry and academia, Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Y.S. Rajasekhar Reddy initiated the concept of Jawahar Knowledge Centers to help particularly the rural graduates realize their dream of IT job in a multinational company.
Our major strength is our human resource, and this resource should be properly trained. We have started a unique process called Jawahar Knowledge Centers since December 2004. We started these programs in just 20 institutions in the state, and now we have spread this across the state in 1,000 institutions. Now we find that every year, thousands and thousands of boys and girls, even from the remotest colleges which are located in different parts of the state, are getting absorbed by the industry in a very big way.
JKC is a novel and unique concept introduced for the first time in the state of Andhra Pradesh to bridge the gap between industry, academia and government to improve the rate of employment in IT and ITES sectors, and by the additional promotional measures taken up by our government. Under this program, so far 900 colleges and over 1 lakh students are registered. Prior to introduction of JKCs, industry linkage was limited to very few institutions and few colleges in urban areas. Many companies, apart from providing software course material, provide training by experts directly. The IEG has positioned IT associates to monitor the student activities and coordinate with college management and assist the faculty in training delivery, and also from renowned agencies on general topics like communication skills, soft skills, etc., who in turn groom and guide the students.
In the first year, after we conduct GDs,
regular course curriculum and JKC training will go hand in hand so that the student will not feel the burden of the additional training component. All engineering colleges having JKC are equipped with high-end servers, desktops with the latest configuration and broadband internet facility, which is an ideal learning center for the students. JKC students have chance to do live projects and to serve in government departments to analyze, design and deploy required IT application.
Here they have trained us right from the basic step of preparing for the interviews to learning the etiquettes of the corporate culture.
They gave me training to improve my communication skills, analytical skills and how to face interviews.
पहले मैं किसी चीज़ को नहीं जानता था, आजकल के एतबार से हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन होने के लिए बहुत यूज़फुल था.
పిల్లవాడు ఏ సలీం భాష నేను చాలా కష్టపడి బీటెక్ వరకు చదివించాము. ఇప్పుడు ఉండే మన ముఖ్యమంత్రి వైఎస్ రాజశేఖర రెడ్డి గారు పిల్లల భవిష్యత్తు చాలా బాగా చేస్తున్నారు.
ఏదో షాప్ నేర్వాలంటే 45,000 కట్టాలి, ముందు కడితేనే ఏదో .NET నేర్వాలంటే ఇంత కట్టాలి. ఈ చదువు మరి సీఎం గారు ఇన్ని వేల రూపాయలు లక్షలు వేలు నాకైతే తెలియదు, కానీ ఎంత ఖర్చు అవుతుందో కానీ అంతా భరాయించి ఈ ఇంత మా పేదవాళ్ళకి ఈ సాయం చేసినందుకు నేను చాలా సంతోషపడుతున్నాను.
The success stories of JKCs are many.
I have been selected for Wipro through the JKC.
Intelli Group.
For fresh graduates, most of them from rural areas who were never fit to be taken in for a good job, especially by the IT industry, JKC made an impact. An IT student from Narsapuram studied in Jilla Parishad School and graduated from one of the rural engineering colleges, works in either Wipro or Infosys. Programming as software for Walmart of United States is like a dream coming true. The success stories are never ending, like Rickshaw Puller's son entering into Satyam, Raitu Cooli's son reaching Wipro, etc. JKC is now initiating efforts to start regional centers in Vizag, Guntur, Tirupati and other places. JKC in Andhra Pradesh has impressed many state governments and has turned as a model for many others in India.
This is a very special feature of the Jawahar Knowledge Center. I only wish that many companies, many global companies across the globe should come forward and take leverage of our human resource talent to the best extent possible. Thank you.